Today, I'll show you how to underline text using the Type tool and the control panel. This is a quick, simple formatting trick that can help you emphasize important words or phrases in your design, whether you're working on a poster, a flyer, or any kind of text layout. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure you have your document open and that you can see the text you want to work with. The key tool you'll be using here is the Type tool. You'll usually find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen, represented by a capital letter T. Go ahead and select the Type tool. Once it's active, move your cursor over to the text you want to underline, click and drag over the text to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when the text is highlighted and ready for editing. If you only want to underline a specific word or phrase, just highlight that part instead of the entire line or paragraph. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need will save you time and keep your formatting clean. With your text selected, turn your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the control panel. This is the horizontal bar that shows options related to whatever tool you've selected. Because you're using the Type tool, the control panel is now showing text-related options like font, size, alignment, and more. Look carefully along this panel for the underline button. It's usually represented by a capital T with a line directly underneath it. This icon is designed to be intuitive. The T shows it's a text option, and the line underneath represents the underline effect you're about to apply. Once you've found that underline button, simply click it while your text is still selected. You don't need to double click or confirm anything. A single click is enough. As soon as you do, you should see the selected text become underlined right away on your canvas. If you're zoomed out, it can help to zoom in slightly to clearly see the effect. At this point, your text is now underlined. If you click away from the text with the selection tool, you'll see how it looks as part of your overall design. If you decide you don't like the underline or you want to remove it from part of the text, just reselect the Type tool, highlight the underlined text again, and click the same underline button in the control panel to toggle it off. It's worth remembering